side backing up is going to be David Quadra, and left side is going to be Terry Don Tucker. In the right side, 8 and 9 qualifiers. I have a special guest in the tower. I'm joined by Sienna Plowgust, pro stock driver in her rookie year, and welcome to the penalty box. Hey, be introduced. Pro stock. Terry Don goes 664 at 207 miles an hour. David goes 666 at 204. Feature Eric Latino in the left side and Dallas Glenn. As are these two. What's it been like coming into pro stock as a rookie and joining a team that's got like champion, race winner, people that are just winning? It's got to be great. You got somebody to go through and talk to.
It is. All the people that get to where I am today, their advice, and help me to understand great one of them. They help with the hard times, and we're great.
Why pro stock?
People say it's the hardest job. Best cars they can, so it really comes down to the driver and how the drivers do, but everybody's so friendly.
Really? You wouldn't tell me get out of my trailer?
No.
Get out of my get off my wheel. 56 Dallas Glenn. That's looking pretty sporty out there right now. It's quicker than he qualified. And there's something about it that's like, wow, I didn't realize this. How about this? Learn not to talk over burnouts. That's better than Jack Beckman ever did.
I would definitely say the hardest part was learning the burnout. We go through 2 gears of burnout, so definitely learning how to dump the clutch, go through the gears, and just stay off the limiter. It's been a challenge, but I definitely say that's the hardest part, trying to keep that consistent.
Matt Hartford, Christian Quadra rolling out now. Matt Hartford, who's driving his old side. Matt Hartford actually went back to his old car after struggling with the new car for a couple of events. We're going to see that new car up in a minute. He's got John McCoy. 663 beats 663. Not going to be a whole shot. Christian went 6.630. Inspiration for pro stock and now being there. I can't help it. Erica had to be somebody that you looked up to. And now she's like on the arch enemy team. Do you have any relationship with her at all? Have you got her autographed hero card when you were small?
Erica was definitely one of the drivers that I went with the most of the pro stuff. She's been nothing but nice to me. We do have a relationship. We talk. She was friendly with me from the finish line, and she was great.
Awesome. When you beat her 5 times in a row. Average, 5-time world champion kind of guy. 661 and a blown out motor down there for Aaron Stanfield. 683, 171 comes up for Fernando Quadra. Look at the smoke inside the car. I guarantee you, Aaron Stanfield is driving blind and he's down there by field just going, don't hit anything, don't hit anything, don't hit anything. And also, don't hit over in Fernando's lane. He was able to get her safely stopped down there and get the door open, but I think the boys back in Winterwood are going to have to build a new engine after that. 6.610, 206 miles an hour for the win. Fernando Jr. goes red 173. Raceway at Bowling Green, Kentucky. You guys do tickets. I don't know, J-Lo. Justin got 36 by Allen's rules. Just saying. Yeah. Well, she won anyways. Chris McGahey rolling out now for Arlo Salmon of Odessa, Southwest Performance down in Texas, and the guy that called it out. Lead up down there where the car stops. We're right back into live action. I've got 4 spots filled into round number 2, and the winner of this one's going to come back. Spaghetti, 208 miles an hour there. Oh, in the car, can you see that you're ahead and you're behind, so you look over, or are you just so laser focused that you don't pay attention?
I'm laser focused, but you can definitely see them under your window.
20-car drivers have always told me that if you can see your opponent, you're in big trouble, because in order to see them, they got to be about 10 cars out in front of you. So that's the last thing you want. I just wonder if road bike drivers ever put it in high gear to look over. Have I got it? Have I got it? Derek Kramer. Rolling it now. The Get Biofuel machine. Overseen by Michael Heiner and crew. And Derek, who now owns the team as well as drives the car. Part of the green light on the bumper brigade that stops secret stuff in the mountain. Get Rex. Pro stock call out range. And really did seem like he had figured out the hot track better than anybody else. You heard Richard talking to Joe a little bit earlier. Said we got a little bit behind yesterday. We're ready to come out and win the race today. He is watching very intently. See what comes up on that one. .597, 208 miles an hour for Greg. 6.593 for Derek Kramer. 6.340. I don't know if you could, for casual fans here, can you explain, we sit up here looking at things, especially look at qualifying. From 654 to 659, there's 13 cars all jammed in there. Can you make any kind of a comparison about how big a deal hundredth of a second is, or 5,000th of a second is, and how critical it is to not make a mistake on a second?
It's huge. We see the two people that didn't qualify, we over at 62, and we still didn't get in the show. So it's vital that you hit those shift points and that you get down the track.
That's pretty good. His dad was, not his dad, his uncle is okay too. There's another generation. Problems coming. They're infiltrating the NHRA for a number of years. I promise you. Look at this, 6.604. Coughlin wins it on a hole shot. Kenny Delco goes on a hole shot. Said about one time to the 100 that you would say 064 loses. One of the things I kind of love about drag racing, I don't know if that's part of what attracted you as well, but sometimes you do everything right and you get your teeth kicked in. And sometimes you can just do everything wrong and somehow your scoreboard lights up and they keep, like, the racing guys give you another chance.
Yes, they always say it's your day.
Go up, do the best job you can, keep your fingers crossed. Well, here comes the second Getrix car, the Total Field Chevrolet. Brand new car. Together out at Jerry Haas's shop, just outside of St. Louis. Johnson's Horsepower Garage. Melling people out of Elite Motorsports, Richard Freeman, on the door. That red car, giving a whole lot of people a whole lot of headache. And Rostock won her first right here. 12 years ago. Chicago's always been good to Erica. South Florida, hopefully you can do something that hits that streak here around this one. Check it out. Oh man, 6.5 goes 658, 208 miles an hour. And Greg Anderson had an 076 reaction time. Sidelined early today. It's not like those guys don't have enough talent to come back and still take home the trophy. Both these drivers grew up racing. Stanfield, remember what happened to him in the first round, just as the wind light came on. Drifted toward the wall a little bit, and at 6.594, 208 miles an hour, Aaron Stanfield is going to win it. On the starting line, 200's advantage, Stanfield. Gotta get my head right. When the car's great, and the car's great, it's been off all weekend. I'm just thinking of matching it. And John DeFlorian. Tucker from Mile High. Outlaw life here. As I mentioned earlier, yesterday he wasn't here. Qualified the car on Friday, went to his daughter's or his kid's graduation. And I certainly salute somebody that puts family in front of racing. We work with Skag, with Mellick, of course the entire fleet of elite sponsors. And John DeFlorian, the number 16 qualifier. Working, of course, with the entire group, elite. Ingersoll, Freeman, all the group over there. They bump their way in. Florian's got the shoots out. Jerry Don Tucker's going on. Gets revenge for his red Camaro teammate, 6.614.
Coming up here with Aaron Stanfield. The first question, that last round there, how were you feeling and figure out what happened?
Feeling good. We had a little engine failure, but thank you to JHG, Melling, Janik Brothers, Elite Motorsports, keep the day rolling.
Your and I's definition of a minor engine failure are vastly different.
Yes, I would say that was a little unusual for a pro stock motor, but we kept it off the wall, kept it off the other car. We got a couple more lined up, ready to go.
I need all my semi-finalists to come on down, please. Last, I want a couple of tire tracks down there. Roy Thompson right now is thinking first, last, I don't care. Give me a lane. Stage your car. Check it out, 6.593. Dallas Glenn for the win. Troy goes 6.594 as the lane choice. Turned on the blinker and went, I'm going that way. For the Johnson Horsepower Garage, Melling Performance. The Outlaw Mile High Light beer car is in the right. Flying the colors of Skag on the fender. Randy Glade and his folks haven't given up on being in the winner's circle yet. You tell you one Skag car wins, I wonder if they got a path to look at. There's a bunch of them out here. 5 and 8 qualifiers coming at you. Stanfield blew a motor up earlier in the day. And then came back and blistered the left lane. Rick Jones is here this weekend. He didn't get out to the racetrack very much. We know one of his cars is going to be in the final round. Will it be the black one? Or will it be the red one? Is going to the final. Again, he's got a chance to double. He's in the Factory X final. last two tasty challenge. Looking for another final round here. And in his way is Dallas Clint, a formidable opponent. Rad torque system, folks. And again, team of Matt late reaction times a couple of times. He said so himself. Better not be late against Dallas. He knows that. Dallas with a bigger advantage at the finish line. 6.565, 208 miles an hour. Couple that to an 033 bulb. Greg goes 049. Doesn't get way up, doesn't get way down. Stays focused on the task at hand and continues to complete the task at hand. Aaron Stanfield is rolling into the water box. Dallas Clint's car has not fired. And now it has. The Rad torque machine rolling in. Direct Rad torque system. Two of his major backers, actually Canadian companies. For Aaron Stanfield, Johnson's Horsepower Garage, the Janik Brothers. He just got used up by his dad in the Factory X car. His plan now, take out his frustrations on Dallas Clint. Again, two young men that went to the racetrack with their fathers when they were kids and followed in the footsteps. Greg is one. If Aaron wins, a father-son winning on the same day is certainly not unprecedented. It's been done a number of times in NHRA. Still a pretty cool list to be on. Dallas Clint made it his mission. Make sure Aaron does not get on that list. Crazily enough, for these two, it's only the second time they've ever gone head-to-head in a final round. And Dallas Clint, 6.567, 208, beats Aaron Stanfield, 6.580, 207. 2,000 advantage Dallas when he left the clutch out. Both drivers doing their job, and Dallas Clint gets a little revenge for Sonoma, California in 21. The only other